Welcome everybody. This is your host Ali Rathor from TechRed TV, bringing you a quick tutorial about Laravel 12 Filament 3.2. So in this quick tutorial, being a professional that we are, it's always good to have a little explanation under the heading in your listing page. Let the user know what this page is about. So by default, there is no information that comes with Filament, and if you're following our previous tutorials, you will see how we can update this one, breadcrumbs, title, icons, and labels, and do the management as well. You can check the links in the description below. So without wasting any time, we are going to add a bit of professional line here. So what we're going to do is go back to our source code. I'm going to close this one. So we're going to go to your apps, app folder, Filament, and click the resources to show all these resources. Go to user resources, look at the page, and you'll find create, edit, and list. For those of you who can't see this page, that means you have created this resource by using the -- simple command or by creating a model. So you need to create a complete resource to have these three options. Open the list user page. Coming back to the code, this is the function that we added later on in the previous tutorial. So I'm gonna type in the string that we need to see. So again, protected, yep, question mark string. So we're gonna let it know that it is a string. So we are gonna do $subheading equal single quotes and close. So this is the subheading that's going to be shown there. So I'm going to say please add, update, or delete a user, and I'm going to save. For those of you who can't see, I'm going to go back and press F5, and this is it. This is the line that comes in. Looks more professional. You've seen you must have seen different systems using this one. So here you can actually have a long line, goes till here, to add a custom message. I hope this helps, and it's a short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and like the video, and follow for more. You can support the channel by joining our Patreon, where we give off a lot of freebies, source code, and functionalities, and have a one-on-one conversation like a Zoom meeting and stuff like that. So don't forget to join us. We will be launching our Discord server soon, and I am your host Ali Rathor from TechRed TV, coming up with more tutorials. So stay tuned. Take care, guys. Have fun, and bye-bye.